Want to switch from Spotify to Deezer without losing your playlists? In this video, I'll show you how to transfer your Spotify playlists, liked songs, and albums to Deezer using Playlist Go within a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open Playlist Go on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, download and install the latest version from the Playlist Go website. Once you launch the app, you'll see all the supported music services on the home screen. Next, choose Spotify as your source platform and sign into your Spotify account. Then select Deezer as your destination platform and log into your Deezer account. After both accounts are connected, Playlist Go will automatically load your Spotify music library. Now choose the playlist you want to transfer. You can also move your liked songs, saved albums, and other music collections if you want. Simply check the items you'd like to transfer and click Start Transfer. Playlist Go will automatically match your songs between Spotify and Deezer while keeping your playlist names and track order whenever possible. Check the result and click Transfer again. Depending on the size of your library, the transfer may take a few minutes. Once the transfer is complete, open Deezer. You'll find your playlists in your Deezer library, ready to play. If some songs aren't transferred, it's usually because they aren't available in Deezer's music catalog. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Playlist Go tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.